I would like to welcome now. Put your hands together for welcoming our next speaker. Please, Saku, come up on the stage.
Good afternoon, all of you. It's me, Sakur. Today, I felt very happy because of introduce myself, like whether I can speak continuously, whether I like speak not continuously. So I will check up myself. So thank.
Okay, here is your topic, doctor.
Doctor is most important part of every life. Even though you, if you have suffering from any diseases, you can go to doctor with a consulted to talk doctor. Doctor just know what that person have a disease and what have a medicine that persons. So that is the role of our doctor. Even though if some people are like to becoming a doctor, and even some people are like to becoming a scientist, which persons are like to becoming a doctor, whether that person can study lots of information from diseases and background of diseases, whether that diseases is cure from which medicine. So this is the role of our doctors.
Paper.
Papers are most important according to me, because of when I want go to study, I just our mind is not working sometimes. So when our mind is not working, just you can write and write and remove. After then you can just you don't have any knowledge about that one, you can just check off what I writing that paper.
About mother and motherland.
So my mother is the my strength, because of when I was go to late house, my mom will call to me, why did you not came too late, and how many time you can again take to returning our homes. So the in this type my mom will care to me. My motherland is even though if you have a farmer, you can grow so many plants and you can serve and protect that plants. Even though some rainy seasons properly rain is coming, and sometimes rain is not coming, when the
Dad.
that my father is my strength. My father is a farmer. When we have grown crops in my land, my father will go to midnight, because of at midnight only light is available in at that time. So my father will go to midnight. I am also supported to my father at the midnight also. Father role is the most important for every persons, because of you have learning something before you can growing. First teacher is to our parents, like a father and mother. You can do better or good or bad, just first recover step is came from our parents, like a father. Beauty. Window. So every homes includes a window. Which home is includes window, that room is very peaceful, because of natural wind is come, and carbon dioxide is easily go to outside. Beauty is most important to according to me, because of in social media so many persons are look whether that person is in the form of a good or is in the form of a bad. So that is depends upon only for our outer beauty, not inner soul. Wow. Present generation. Soldier. So I love to soldier, because of soldiers have left from our family, even though they have not interested to live from their family, but they are responsibility to left from their family, even though that daughters or sons are little. At that time they are also sacrifice their life towards our country. Earth is most important according to me, because of our farmers will life depends upon the earth. Even though that earth is yeah, if some earth is consist of a pure soil, and if another if other side land is consist of not a pure soil, when their land consists of a pure soil, that give crop very properly. Exams are the most time available to students, because of checking ourselves whether they are learn or not learn. That is a one step to recovering ourselves.
Thank you so much, Saku, for talking continuously on topics that were thrown on you. Thank you so much.